Hello, friends! Every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax, we're going to fix this. If your car suddenly shows the message, oil pressure low, stop engine, it's not just a friendly warning. Your engine is telling you, hey, I don't have enough oil pressure to keep running. Stop before I get damaged. The curious thing is that sometimes the oil level shows full. So many people think, what's going on? The oil looks fine. The key is understanding that the engine doesn't just need oil, it needs oil pressure. Even if the pan is full, if something prevents the oil from circulating properly, the sensor detects low pressure and triggers the alert. It's like having water in a hose, but the faucet is partially blocked. The water is there, but it doesn't reach where it's needed. A very common cause, according to the mechanics at this shop, is a faulty oil pressure sensor. They report that sometimes the sensor sends false readings, making the car think pressure is low even when everything is fine. Replacing this inexpensive sensor usually solves the problem and is the first test many recommend before diving into more complicated issues. Another frequent cause is a clogged or dirty oil filter. If the oil can't flow freely through the filter, pressure drops and your car warns you. Replacing the filter and ensuring oil flows properly usually clears the alert. Some mechanics even recommend a full oil change with the correct viscosity, especially if it's been a long time since the last service. In higher mileage cars, some mechanics have noticed that the oil pump or the pickup tube inside the pan can be failing. The pump pushes the oil, and if it loses efficiency, pressure drops even though there's oil in the engine. This requires a bit more work, but fixing it prevents serious engine damage. Finally, though less common, there are cases where the engine has internal wear or issues with the pressure relief valve, preventing oil from generating the necessary pressure. These cases require professional diagnosis, but it's important to know that ignoring this warning can destroy the engine in minutes, even if the oil level is full.